Hey everybody, it's Rob Lindeman from the Hit Lab New Zealand. We haven't done one of these in a long time, so I thought maybe it's time to do an unboxing video. So we've got some really cool stuff that we're going to show you in terms of a new technology that we kickstarted. And we'll see. I don't actually know what they sent me, but we'll find out very soon. But I think you'll find it to be pretty cool in terms of what it is. Let's see what we got. As you know, Rob's first rule of ordering equipment is that always order 2 of everything, right? So what we have is a Vector robot. So these are really interesting little robots that basically roam around on your desk and do facial recognition and will actually show you, talk to you and show you different facial expressions. So if we look at this cute little thing, what it's going to do at some point in life, and maybe we'll do another video later, is it starts itself up. It has a little face, and the face gives different expressions, and as it moves around it actually can push stuff and pick stuff up a little bit. And I guess this is some sort of another thing in the box is kind of a calibration cube, so I guess it can recognize this thing and do some interesting. It also has a cool little charging station, so it backs itself up. When it feels like it's running out of energy, it'll back itself up into its charging station and charge itself up. So we have a couple other things. I don't know what this is. Got a little desiccant. So this is actually called it's from Vector Robotics, and it's called the Anki. And so this is a little bit of a kind of a picture about what this looks like. You can see it has different facial expressions. So that's about it for now, and what we'll do is next time we will show you the Anki in action, moving around my desk or something, maybe a little cleaner space than my desk, but anyway, moving around something. So that's our unboxing for now, and again, we'll see you in a bit. Come join us, come play with these fun toys that we have.